Hello everyone, this question was asked in GATE 2020 Electronics and Communication paper as question number 2, and this question pertains to electromagnetic theory. In this question, this is a very simple question. Here we are given a vector field A and we are asked which one of the following options is false, and the options which we are given are that A is solenoidal if del dot A is 0, del cross A is another vector field, A is irrotational if del square A is 0, and the last option is del cross A is equal to del dot A minus del square A. So to learn the solution or to understand the solution of this question, you need to refer to the NPTEL video course. This is module number 2, vector analysis, the third portion from electromagnetic theory by Professor Pradeep Kumar from IIT Kanpur. Okay, so moving on. So to solve this question, the important data which we need to keep in mind is the first thing is the vector identities. Out of the several vector identities, we need to keep in mind in our case just one vector identity, which is nothing but del cross A is equal to del dot A minus del of A. Okay, which is nothing but del dot A minus del square A. So this is the one thing which we should know. Another thing is solenoidal vector. Now what is a solenoidal vector? A vector which has its divergence as 0. So simply it is nothing but del dot A is equal to 0. If this is satisfied, then A is known as the solenoidal vector. Similarly, irrotational vector. What is an irrotational vector? It is a vector whose curl is 0. So here in this case, if del cross A is equal to 0, then we say that A is an irrotational vector. Okay. Another important thing which we need to keep in mind is that if, let's say, we are taking the cross product of any two vectors, say A and B. So we are taking the cross product of A and B. So what will be the resultant vector? We have to curl our fingers from the right hand in the direction from A to B, meaning this way. So if you curl your fingers from A to B, then the direction of the thumb will give you the direction of the resultant vector. I'm sorry, this one is wrong. It is actually minus R. Okay, this will be minus R. So the resultant vector will be facing downwards. Okay, this will be R. And what is minus R? Minus R is nothing but this is I write it here, minus R is equal to B cross A, right? So this could be, say, some other vector Q. Okay, so this is how you evaluate. How this minus R will come? You swap your fingers from B to A in this direction, and then the resultant vector will be minus R or Q. Okay, so this is one thing which we need to keep in mind. Another thing is that another thing which we need to note that in a cross product, the resultant vector is perpendicular to direction of both A and B. So this plane which contains both of these vectors A and B, so this resultant vector will be perpendicular to both of these vectors, and which is why A dot R and B dot R will be 0. Okay, so coming to the options which we were provided, the first one is that A is solenoidal if del dot A is 0. This is correct, as we have seen that solenoidal is the vector is the one whose divergence is 0. Second thing is that del cross A is another vector field. This is also correct, because the cross product of two vectors will result in some other vector, completely different vector. Now another option is A is irrotational if del square A is 0. This is wrong. Why? Because we have seen that del cross A, if this condition is satisfied, then we call that the vector A is irrotational, right? And the last option is del cross A is equal to del of del dot A minus del square A. This again is correct. So the correct option, because we were asked to find which one is the false option, so this one is the false option. So option 3 is correct answer for this question. So marking this option as the correct one, we have C is the right answer. And to get more insights on this solution, you have to refer to Module 4, Vector Analysis, the third part, Electromagnetic Theory by Professor Pradeep Kumar from IIT Kanpur. Thank you.